Hi students, this is Mahalakshmi. Today I'm going to teach lines and angles topic introduction part 3 video. Already I uploaded some definitions in part 1 and part 2 video. Kindly go through it. This is the last definition and one of the definition is vertically opposite angles and then parallel and intersecting lines. So what do you mean by vertically opposite angles? When it should be formed? Observe this figure. AB is a straight line, right? This is one line, and CD also another straight line, both intersecting at a point O, right? And then in between two rays, the angle must be formed. As I said already in my part 1 video, just to go through it. So BOD I measured as small a and COA as measured as small a, both placed vertically opposite, right? So this is called vertically opposite angles. When it will be formed in between two straight lines, the both straight lines intersect at a point O and some angle will be formed. That angles placed vertically opposite means that angles should be called as vertically opposite angles. Similar to angle BOC and angle AOD. So this is measured as small b. So there is some difference, so that's why I put here one arc for A and here I used two arc for B. So this is the difference between A and B. So in this figure, how do you write vertically opposite angles? Angle BOD, where is it? Angle BOD is equal to angle COA and angle BOC is equal to angle AOD. Both are placed vertically opposite means that angles are called vertically opposite angles, right? And the next definition is very important. Parallel lines and intersecting lines. So what do you mean by parallel lines? When you say the lines may be parallel. Take two lines, two straight lines, these two lines placed parallel. When you shoot, the lines will be parallel. The reason is there are two reasons. These lines cannot intersect till end, right? It will not intersect till end. That is one reason. And another reason is till end the distance will be equal, always equal from starting to end point. That lines are called parallel lines. And one more thing, these two lines not intersect at end. So this two reasons satisfied means the given line should be parallel. Got it? And the last definition is intersecting lines. Take these two lines, the two lines not intersect, right? And measure the distance. This is distance D1 and this is distance D2. And here you take one more distance means that distance should be D3, right? This is D3. Observe the distances. This is D1 and this is D2. This is D3. This is the longest distance compared to D2 and D3. And D2 is longer compared to D3. And D3 is very shorter compared to D1. Right? So D1 is greater than D2, greater than D3, and so on. And these two lines um, these two lines may be intersect till at a certain point. That point I represented as O. So finally, intersecting lines are not parallel lines, but the lines may be intersect and the distance will not be equal, right? So this is the difference between parallel lines and intersecting lines. Intersecting lines or intersect at a certain point O, but the given lines are not parallel. That lines are called intersecting lines, whereas parallel line means the line should not be intersect till end, but the distance should be equal. That is called parallel lines. So this is the difference between parallel lines and intersecting lines. So these are all the important definitions in lines and angles. So it will be helpful to sort out the problems. So go through all my 3 videos, then only you can understand the basic concepts. Got it?